Gates are portals that connect our world to other dimensions. Since they started occurring 10 years ago, many inexplicable events have taken place. A good example is the awakened beings. They awaken with permanent powers. Sung Jinwoo was also awakened, but with feeble power, E rank. These people fight with magic beasts in the dungeons for a living. They are called hunters, and sometimes, beyond these gates, terrifying monsters that make you fall into despair appear before you. Party leader speaks. I thought we would clear this dungeon with ease, which is why I only brought 3 healers. But there is no trace left of the ones that were attacked. Another one is sitting over there, scared out of his mind, and Juhi is in no shape to heal anyone. It will be hard to get any healing. We shouldn't try to do anything against an opponent like that. Once things settle, let's find a way to get out of here. But I don't think it'll be easy. Scene shifts to all the hunters, scared for their lives. Jinwoo thinks, according to Mr. Song, we will die instantly if we move. And even if, by some miracle, we reach the doors, another statue is guarding the door. One of the hunters stands up and speaks. I refuse to die like this. I just signed with a major guild. I can't die here. He thought he was the fastest one here. He sprinted towards the door. The big statue's eyes sparkled once again, and in an instant, there was no trace of the upper half of the hunter's body. Only his feet remained. Everyone is terrified. Jinwoo speaks. These statues can annihilate us at any given moment if they wanted to. Then why haven't they? Party leader responds. Good question. He continues. If they can kill us all, then why aren't they? Jinwoo comes to a realization. These statues' attacks must be based on a set of rules. The camera closes in. Rules? Could it be that this room has certain rules? Jinwoo looks towards the statue holding the commandments. Yes, that's it. Jinwoo asks the party leader, what was the first commandment again? Mr. Song replies, I think the first one was thou shall worship God. After hearing this, Jinwoo slowly starts standing up. Mr. Song shouts, what do you think you're doing? Jinwoo continues speaking. If what I'm thinking is true, Mr. Song shouts again, are you crazy? Then while looking at Jinwoo he says, your eyes, they tell me you haven't given up on hope yet. Jinwoo stands in front of the statue and says, that statue doesn't attack all moving beings.